Hi guys, it's Marge. Today we are going live with one of my favorites, Ellie from Digitech. I'm gonna bring Tirsa in right now. Tirsa's our MC. We will get Ellie in here. Fresh the verse.
Hello, people. It's the dancing girl. I
You're
hope
so funny.
everybody's doing great.
Yeah.
It's hot as Hades in California.
I keep hearing about that.
It's crazy hot.
Ellie!
Hello, Ellie.
How
Good
are
morning.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, we're
Really
great.
good.
I hope you've had your morning tea or coffee.
I've had one cup of coffee down. Usually I drink more.
Oh my God, so crazy.
We
Where
all need a
actually?
little
Let me.
something.
Are
in
you
the morning.
same time frame, you guys? Are you, Ellie? Are
I'm
you?
1 hour behind Pacific.
Oh, you
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So it's only
That's
like
not too bad.
nine by you.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, so wild. Hi,
Oh, wow.
and we have the sourcing district on here. It's so good to
Hi.
see you guys. So,
Good morning. Good morning.
yes. So guys, so this is Ellie. Ellie has runs Digitech Technologies and Designing with Ellie. So much to offer, I swear to God. So, Tierce, do you want to also give your regular spiel that you
Yes,
do?
of course. Well, first of all, everybody, we are Fashion Index. That's fashionindex.com. We are the go-to for all of your resources. If they're human resources that you need, or if they are a business, a trim supplier, a fabric supplier, a manufacturer, whatever you need to get your business to the next level. If it's just getting started, you just have a baby incubator idea up there, or if you're much farther along and you're already making production and you want to expand product types, for example, go to Fashion Index. That's where you can find everybody, including Miss Ellie. Ellie actually is in Alaska, everybody, but she works with people all over the world. She is absolutely fabulous. She is very forward thinking and is able to do 3D technology. Ellie, can you just tell people a little bit more about you?
Sure. Yeah. So I've been freelancing for about 5 years now. I work mainly in Clo 3D. I provide pattern making and fashion services for people who are looking to create a product. It's not always an apparel product. Sometimes it's a soft goods product. I do mainly focus in women's wear, but I provide a wide variety of services. 3D has helped immensely to see the product inside and out from different angles, to test the product's specifications before actually running a physical sample. It's saves time and money with the apparel production process. Um, and yeah, so aside from 3D, I also provide physical samples, which really helps if you're a fashion entrepreneur and you're just starting out. It's kind of like a chicken and the egg thing. Like, which one do I, get first? How do I get samples to a factory if I don't even know, how to design a tech pack? So I'm here to help fashion entrepreneurs just kind of get their ideas out into something real that they can see, whether that's 3D or something physical and tangible that they can then test beforehand, because you're not always ready to just right away launch. You want to test your product,
Yeah.
get feedback from your customers, maybe do a little bit of marketing with some sample products on
Great point.
Instagram.
Yep.
Pretty much the gist of what I do. From A to Z, I'm here to help from the beginning to continuing to improve products once you launch, like helping with factories and just sewing up mock-ups, whatever needs done, like I'm here to help. Like
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Hey,
the
and Ellie,
gist.
I have a question, and it's one of those dumb questions, but I know it's not. So if somebody doesn't I mean, of course, you have the technology for the 3D, but how do you work with a client who doesn't have that same technology? Can you just send them a file that they could open? How does that work for them?
So if they do not have like the program Clo, for example,
Yeah.
there is a way that we can get on the same page, whether that's utilizing just a JPEG angle, or if they want to be able to actually turn that garment around and see a 360 view and control it, that's fine too. It just depends on how comfortable they are with with you using the technology. I have clients that can pick it up really quickly, and it's just a matter of like, how do you control the mouse to turn around the garment. And there are ways to get that on their website as well. It just depends on what the client's needs are.
Right.
If they want something that their customers can interact with and have on their website.
Right.
That's
And
just
if it's just the two of you, clearly you could jump on, a Zoom or any other digital meeting, and you could share you can share your screen, and then they can see it, and they can interact with you right there too. So,
Yep.
and the reason I asked is, some people might be like, oh, well, how does that work for me? And so I wanted to make sure people understood that it can work for you, and you actually can save a lot of time and money, as Ellie's saying, to perfect the look. You can share it out there. You can get feedback. You can do all those things that you need to before, dropping your dime and getting the product actually made in a production manufacturing way.
Right.
Yep.
That's great, Ellie. And I love that you were assuring people that you can you can help them get all of the things that they need in order to make it to the next step, or even to get it to the steps that you need it to be at, so that you can help them. Because I think some people are not really sure, like, am I ready? And they might not be ready, but the fact that you can help them get ready, I think, is a great attribute to what you're offering.
I think the hardest thing a lot of people have when they have an idea, and this isn't really their expertise, is this business, is finding the person who can help them actually take that and make the actual idea into reality. You know what I mean? So this is why Ellie is like a perfect partner for you guys. Connecting with her, her product knowledge is so broad that, I think even if it's not women's wear, just talk to Ellie and touch base with her, see what she sees as the way to get the product done. Yeah.
That's right. Ellie, I know we were talking the other day. Do you have anything that you can just show us? Like, what does your workspace look like, or anything else?
My workspace is a mess, but I'd be happy to share.
I love it. I love the real world thing. So bring it on.
Yeah. This is real. Let me just go ahead and turn you around so you can kind of see what my office looks like.
Yeah.
So here's my setup. I have Clo, and then I have a dual screen. So there's a laptop on the bottom. You can see, here's an example product. This is kids wear dress, and you can just turn the garment around.
So cool.
This is all set up with the points of measurements. If that's something that can be exported out to the tech pack. So this pattern is graded, so you can see all the sizes are included there.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So if I were to render this into like a 3D runway catwalk, I have another computer here that can do that while I can continue to work on other projects. Sorry for the mess, but yeah.
Not a mess.
Great. It is what it is.
This is the cutting table, which is currently under a bunch of prototypes that I'm currently working on.
I love it.
Got a couple of dress forms there in the corner. And
oh, that's great. And for everyone to see, like, your dress forms, you can adjust them to different sizes. So if your measurements are slightly different, she can adjust that.
This one I can.
Yes. That's great. That's great to have.
And then I have the kids one, which is absolutely necessary if you're doing kids wear. You have to use a dress form because kids grow up way too fast for you to be doing a product.
Yes, my son used to be a fit model, so I totally get it.
Yeah. So this is the sewing corner. I have the Juki single needle over here on the right in the middle of a prototype mock-up. I have a Singer machine, which helps with the buttonholes and extra specialty stitches. I also have sergers as well, and there's extra in the closets, but I only have enough room to set up 2 at a time.
Yeah, but that's
great. And if you're not using it, yeah, exactly. That's great.
And then, aside from that, then I have sample material here as well. If we need to do dresses, all these swatches and just tons of swatches. I think the sourcing district is here, right?
Yes.
They represent Kendor as well. I have some Kendor swatches as well.
Yeah.
These are really great materials. It's an excellent
Love it.
source.
Love it.
That is
So,
So
fantastic.
Ellie, if this is your space messy, oh my gosh, you must be very organized.
it drives me crazy to have it a mess, but it's the middle of the week, so
Yeah,
it'll be clean in the weekend.
Oh, no. It's great. It's great. And I really love that. I love the energy and to see your space and see how things work, because I think that really lets people know, like, she is so organized. Oh my gosh, people. Amazing.
I
Yeah.
usually am way more organized, but yeah.
Well, when you have a lot going on, that's okay. That's a good problem, Ellie, honestly.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
That's
I'm literally
fantastic.
juggling, but I love it.
Good. That's
great.
fantastic.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So you got anything? Yeah. Are you getting out at all? Do you see, like, by the end of the year? Like, you and I have met actually at a trade show in May. Anything going on for you for the rest of the year, or you just pretty much staying put?
I'm pretty much staying put for the rest of the year. Gonna keep working steadily at, the current projects that I have. I have a couple of possible projects that might happen down the line. So I don't want to plan too many like trips in case I need to take that,
Right.
the additional
She's going to
work.
be there for you when you're ready. So reach out to Ellie on fashionindex.com. Her company is called Digitech, and she is going to nail it for you. She can do anything from those 3Ds to making your samples, helping you get ready to make your sample, helping make sure your sample and all the information is easily transferable to a factory. As she's saying, she can do the mock-up. She can do whatever you need to help you get your business to the next level. Ellie, you are fantastic.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. It's been so fun talking to you guys.
We love connecting with you, Ellie. We definitely, it's just fantastic. I love it. I also want to make sure people know that if you are at all to do, like, have anything to do with the military, Ellie's military family, let's support our military families, you guys. Let's do this.
Definitely. All right.
Yep. If you have any questions, just reach out and message me on the Fashion Index, and I'll let you know. If you have a question and you just need a quote, feel free to just message me, and we can talk about your project.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ellie. Again, that's fashionindex.com. You can find Ellie from Digitech. She's an amazing individual, as Marge said, a military family. So we love supporting that. It actually gives me chills just saying it. So thank you so much for everything your family does for us.
Yep. Put Digitech right in the search bar. Ellie's going to pop right up, you guys. Connect with her right there. Okay, guys? Take care. Have a wonderful day, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Ellie.
Don't forget to dance. Bye.
Bye, Ellie.